Hey guys, little trick I don't know if I've talked to you about before, but to get your concrete to go off a little bit quicker, especially in the warmer months, just an accelerator. You buy from Bunnings. This one, absolutely fantastic. The concrete go off a little bit quicker, and yeah, you can sometimes shoot it in the same day if you're quick enough, or there's no storms about. Just a little tip. There's just an explanation why I like to use that Lanko to make my holes go a little bit quicker. You can't really see it here, but most have got, you can't really see it there, but they've got water in them, bubbling, leaking out of the ground. Just on a wet table. So this just helps our posts go off a little bit quicker, a little bit more solid, so we can sort of work on them. And yeah, the wind's not going to knock them around so much a bit later. So that's one of the reasons why I like to use it. Good for colour bond too if you're sheeting. But yeah, these ones, a lot of water in the holes. So just seeping out of the ground. Let's do a quick walk through. Good morning. Just putting wall mesh panels up. Just a little quick walk through. We posted this yesterday. Just throwing the panels on. I think we had 13 posts to put in this morning out of about 66, I think, all up. But it goes right in. A bit difficult trying to get them hard up against that concrete or as close to without touching the concrete, because the concrete only went in Monday and today's now Thursday. So it comes right around. Had a bit of a mishap here yesterday. Hit a water pipe, broke another pipe, and it goes down and around there. We'll hook up around the corner, and this footpath will continue. Once we can get it dried out a bit to get around to there. So we're not doing the concrete on this one. Concreting. It's part of the build. It just runs back around the front of the building. And we got this one finished. Ran out of panels on Friday or Thursday. Easter just starts there, finishes there. Let's come right around. It works up both sides of the path. Gets around the corner. So just what we've done there. We didn't want to cut the panels, so the panels are just clipped on just on the inside there, but then back on the outside there, and look, it doesn't look that out of whack. Some will say it does, don't really care. It's up, it's done. The client is happy, so it just gets screwed there on that side. Bends are always hard to do when you have well mesh panels, because you can't fudge them at all. So that's all pretty good. That's it. Job's done. Both sides. Just got a gate to hang. Right there. Do the gate and then we're done.